Hi guys, today we're going to be making this. But I already made it like this. But we're going to be putting it together. Alright, so the supplies you'll need is, let's do it like this. A square piece of paper or a rectangle piece of paper. You will need 2 of these rectangle pieces of paper or 2 of these squared pieces of paper. Alright, so let's get started. So the first step you're going to do, so you're going to be putting one hand. See in front of it, that's the hand. And the other hand is this hand. So the first step you're going to do is you see this square piece of paper, piece of double-sided stick tape. You're going to fold it this edge to this edge. Like that. Tape right there. Then unfold it. Everyone, we put double-sided stick tape on the hand. Okay, so after you're done folding it like that, you're going to unfold it, turn it like that. Hand. Then, hello. Then fold this corner to this corner again. But there should be a line like this. Not like this, but like this. You have to be getting a little more double-sided stick tape. And then you should be making a new fold. Done. We just need one more piece of paper here. And then do a tape right there. So undo this from my chair because it's too far. Okay, after you're done with that, you're going to unfold it, and you see this edge, you're going to fold this edge to the middle point. Whoa! Like right there. And fold. And then you're going to do that for the other side. Well, I don't want this video to be too long, so while I'm doing that, I want my mom to focus on my sister. So this is already what I did. I already put double-sided tape, but my sister might need double-sided tape, or we could put a little more. Oh, I need a little more for here. That's what I do. Okay. And that's how you make a baby crib. Yeah. Okay, after you're done folding the edges, I'm gonna get my little toy owl. After you're done folding the edge to the middle, you're going to flip it over and see this triangle right there. You're going to fold this edge and make sure it matches that triangle thing right there. See how it matches it? After you're done with that, you're going to fold it to the other side again. Hamster, and then I'm gonna put him inside. But if you want to make a pillow, then I'll get the paper to make a pillow. So after you're done folding it over to the other side again, you're going to unfold those edges that you folded when you were like this. Then you're going to see this edge right here. You're going to fold it in the middle. And do that for the other side. Done folding both sides. We're going to be needing scissors. After you're done folding both sides, you're going to flip like that. So this is no more like this. Now it's at the sides. And you're going to fold this to the middle again. We're going to be needing a rectangle like that. See? For the pillow. So I'm going to put the pillow right here. But we might need glue, so be careful with the glue. You're done folding. You're done folding here, here, to make a round, here, here. Then you're going to unfold it. Fold it like this. Unfold these tabs like that. Then you won't need to do new folds. You'll just fold it on the side like this. make sure you still push down so it gets it. Like that. See, like that? Then you're going to fold this part back. Then fold the other part back. Make sure they're glue. See? Make sure they're touching each other. Only almost touching each other or touching each other. Mine is almost. So I am going to fold it in. And then do that for the other side. They made a rectangle like that. I already said that, but we need glue on the back of it. So we glue it, stick it right on this crib. So this is how you stick it. Mama showed up. So like that. Stick and push really hard. And then see, that's how you make a crib. So after you're done folding this side, folding it down, you are going to make one more, but is big, slightly bigger than it or slightly smaller than it. So I'm going to use a little bit of magic for this part. So this is how you make a crib. If you have one of these, then it's going to be a crib. Or if you want to make another one, then you just click another video that I will do tomorrow or when it's my cousin's birthday. Okay, so after you should have two. Like you should have a pillow inside of it right there. All right, and they should fit inside. And then we might need a blanket for her. We might need a. And ta-da! You made your box. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good day. Bye!